Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange, the new color here. This phone was just released a couple days ago and we finally are going to do an unboxing here. Now, as you can see here, this is the new design of the box here. Now, you can also get it in silver and blue as well here. And take a look at the back here. As you can see here, this is the US model, which means it only has the eSIM. And here are some details and here as well. So that is the packaging itself. So we're going to go ahead and start unboxing here. First, these tabs at the bottom, at the top. A little ASMR. Let's take a look at what we have inside. And right here, as you can see here, the phone. And then let's go ahead and see what else. So you get that pretty much the same stuff you got on the previous phone, which is just this one simple cable and then a pamphlet as well. So that's what you're looking at inside. And then this USB-C cable, which is pretty generic standard stuff. And then the phone itself right here. This is now not titanium, but aluminum unibody. Not sure why they decided to go back with aluminum, but that's probably just to save cost. But here is a look at it again. You have the action button, the volume up and the volume down button, the camera or the camera button here, and then that power button, and then the triple camera and this unique design. So it's like a shade here, you'll see, in different colors. This is a 6.3 inch. So here in my hand I have a small to medium size hand, so it fits perfect for me. So that's what you're looking at. And let's take a look at here, the charge port. Let's take a look, and up top here, this is what it looks like. So again, I'm going to go ahead and power it on by holding this side button here. And right up top here, we're going to see finally power on here for us. Now, a couple things. This is the 256 gig, which is the base model, which starts at $10.99, and then you have the 512 gig for $12.99, and then the 1 terabyte would be $14.99. Now, let's go ahead and take. Now, this is going to run iOS 26 off the gate, so we're going to go ahead and select language, and you can see some details about it. We're going to select the language. Appearance, you can go medium, large, default, and continue. Quick setup on their device if you have another device. If not, you can just move on without setting up with another device. And then you're going to need to connect to your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go enter my Wi-Fi password right now. And let's go ahead and okay after the Wi-Fi here. And while this is taking a few seconds to activate, keep in mind the 17 Pro comes with 12 gigs of RAM and an A19 chip Pro, A19 Pro chip. That's the latest chip that you can get on this device. And you might be needing to do a software update. I'll do it later here. And then data and privacy, it's going to continue. And then you select the range. We're just going to keep it adult. Face ID basic setup. Basically, it's going to scan your face. So we're going to do setup later. Passcode, if you want to set that up. 4-digit alphanumeric, or you can choose not to. I'm just going to skip this for now, just so we can get. And then backing up. So if you're transferring information, you'll follow one of these steps, or simply select nothing to continue as first clean slate. And then you're signed into your Apple account to basically use iCloud, App Store, and all the Apple services. So we're going to go ahead and just hit continue or use sign in other methods. And you can use another device or multiple ones. So go ahead and, or if you don't have one, you can click that and then set up later. And you can come back to set it up later. But definitely want to sign in. And then update your phone automatically. And iMessage and FaceTime, I'm going to continue. Location services, on or off. So you're going to turn that on if you want location services. Now eSIM, if you have it, the US models only have eSIM, so you have to use either transfer from a nearby phone or use a QR code to go ahead and set it up. Or you can come back later to set it up. So I'll click here. Screen time report, will it continue? Analytics, if you want to share with Apple, I choose not to. And then light, dark, and different screen mode, hit continue. And Apple Intelligent, you want to set that up, or you can set up later. And then camera control, basic 2, a quick demo of that. And then action button as well for silent. So we can hit now later, hit continue. Basically I'm doing the basic setup without fully setting it up, but if you need a full guide on how to set it up, show you. And this is what it looks like. As you can see here, we're ready to go. A redesign with iOS 26 here, whole new redesign of the camera here options. We see these zoom options that are available. Photo mode, this is probably the biggest update, and then you can also see different views and styles as well. So that's the camera update, which you might be wondering, but this is kind of how it looks on the hand, switching between cosmic orange color, just like that. Again, very lightweight feeling, doesn't feel too heavy, and that's probably because of the aluminum body versus the titanium. Again, it doesn't feel like a premium device in my end for some reason, but might take time to use to it, and we're going to do reviews after using it for some time as well. And that's it for the review. I hope you guys found this unboxing review helpful. We're going to do a lot more unboxing tips, tricks, for giveaways, so considering a like and subscribe button for more of this, and we'll catch you in the next one.